Okay, so I've taken apart the, I assembled the mixer, and I was using it, and all of a sudden the motor was running, but the bowl wasn't turning, and so I disassembled, or I took off the front of the motor where the pulley is attached, and this is called the barrel pulley. This goes here because of the failure that happened. The key that slides in here and attaches the pulley went missing. It flew out and it actually bent this notch. This is still able to fit back on here, albeit a little bit tight. I imagine it's out of tolerance. But the failure that happened when I took off this bowl was that, first off, you should understand that a bolt with a washer goes here to hold the pulley on, right? And that was secure, and I torqued it down appropriately. Unfortunately, when I removed the bowl, I found this problem. The gear that runs the bowl was actually off of its pinion. And so I'm going to remove this, and we'll essentially discover what happened. So there's the screw, or excuse me, the bolt with the washer. This is supposed to be here. Holding this on, okay? But it came loose during operation, and I lost both of the keys. I lost the key here, that came out. When this came loose, it actually pulled the entire pinion backwards, and I lost this key. This key went flying somewhere, and this key also is lost. The one that is supposed to be for the gear. So the issue I have with this is that this was torqued from the factory, and so it wasn't torqued well enough or to specifications that would keep this on. So if you're going to buy one of these, I greatly recommend you open this, take the screws off, and then tighten, put a wrench on this, on here and here, and properly torque this down. Because I don't know if this has caused irreparable damage or not, but it's certainly caused a headache, and I don't know where I can find these keys. Anyhow, I hope this was somewhat helpful. This is a bit of a nightmare to read the directions and install, but it wasn't that bad as long as you're okay with reading a schematic. This was, in my opinion, a fault from the factory that caused this failure. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.